pick up some OEM Euro LED tails for Mario's car if he ever lets me in this motherfucker. Shit. What up? So we just picked up the tail lights. I was gonna, well, I guess we could roll over there and get, just pull up to the pump and then we can see what they look like. I'm not trying to get copywritten by this go-go shit in the background anyways. Yo, go-go is like the worst thing that ever happened to music. Besides disco. What? Oh, and mumble rap. I forgot mumble rap. I don't think there really are any cabs in this. Ooh, fancy. Put that one. Nice. Those should be fine. Those are like cool. We'll get those installed and get the coating. I'll show you the coating now that I know how to make the screen bigger. And that'll be that for
that's all, folks.
For those tail lights. Got the gang out here. Gang. Shit's slow anyways. So today we're gonna do Mario's Euro tails, and we're gonna show you what the difference is with VAGCOM and without VAGCOM, because we are actually gonna install them today. Not like that H2O prep video. And then after after that, after this long ass tail light install, we're gonna throw this APR catch can on. That was a fail. So anyways, we're gonna throw this APR catch can on Mario's car like this. Catch. So everything in the trunk or on the hatch has to come off, all the plastic pieces. The C-pillar's got to drop down. This piece has to come off. So we'll pop this off real fast. This is easy. Just make sure you go ahead and break all the clips, especially if it's not your car. Just kidding, these clips don't break, they're metal. You just pop in, see them. Pull this out just to get this out of the way. You know, like those snack wells? So there's two 8mm nuts that got to come out of these inner taillights. The outer taillights are just these tabs that you unscrew. This is where you lose these.
Your bros are always there for you.
Bitch.
They've got your back.
I can't believe I dropped one already.
That's right. Leave it to the professionals, all right?
Waiting for that.
I was like, nope, that looks like I could break it.
Yep, you can break it. That's what happened with the first set of Euro tails I had. The black plastic piece was broken. Tail light number 1.
Saw the super glue.
Or in Spanish, numero dos.
Hey, man.
He wants to do it. Let him do it. No, let him break it. He's living his best garage right now. Oh, dude, you can't open it without the taillights.
Get the fuck out of here. Don't you know?
Wait, let's pull the rest of the taillights out while you're doing that.
Now, all we gotta do is, man, just get a big container of Bonda.
Oh, okay.
Fill them holes in real quick.
Then we don't.
Hose.
Then we don't gotta code them or anything.
Yep.
Looking at my video.
Quiet on set. I need Richard, the director.
Quiet out there, goddammit!
It's like it worked.
Yo.
You guys gonna? I just work here. Hold that. Oh, by the way, these are OEM taillights. Don't let the box fool you. That's they're used. So the dude just used whatever box he had. Got all the stock taillights off. I'm gonna take all the inner parts of the hatch out now so we can run the wires. I think this one comes off first. I'll just get back to you with all the interior pieces removed. They just pop off. They're just clips. This main piece had 4 T25s in them. So 4 Torx screws up here in these recesses. You just pull those out, and the whole thing pops off. So I'll get back to you in a second with that. All right. Now the hatch plastic pieces are removed so that we can run wires. I got to pull the C-pillars down a little bit, get them out of the way, which is not much. It doesn't take much. And then we should be able to fish the wires down with this much play. I forgot one more thing. We got to pop these off so we can run the wires from this taillight down around to this one, and the same thing up, back around to this one, and then the same thing on that side. So we do have to go through these and pop these off. I forget what side it's on, so I'll have to look real fast. Actually, let me see if I can see from inside. Yeah. So this little clear piece is that tab. And you gotta pry that out of the way and then lift up. Thing with your eyes is overrated. Look at me.
With your eyeball.
Hopefully that wasn't the clip that I just pushed all the way in.
Probably.
I mean, it's not.
No, it's not
it
out.
was waterproof. You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Oh yeah, it was a clip.
Channel.
It was. Oh yeah, you folded it backwards. Just do it on this side. So we unwrapping the harness. We don't need this part because we didn't get the fog light one. I'm gonna have to run these 2 lines. This is the inner tail lights. So this will run down to the outer ones. These outer ones will run up to the inner ones. But now I'm just showing them the colors.
Well, what if they're colorblind?
I don't know what to tell you.
One's dark.
Are red and yellow colors that you can't see? I thought it was like green or some shit. Green and red.
I don't even know.
I don't know. Comment below if you're colorblind. You can't tell what color these are.
I give up. I'll just record.
Sounds good. Oh shit! I was about to fuck up.
So what have you done here?
Just started running this wire, but I was about to fuck up and install this, but we have to run, I forget which side it is, but we have to run the outer tail light to one of these pins. I forget which one, so we'll figure it out when we get to there.
I don't think I have it off.
So now, gotta tape this to this.
No, aquí no hay parking. No. Mi mamá lo llevó todo.
Should've just done that the first time. And then we'll have more light with the clothes because the door's blocking the light. See, it got brighter in here.
They should put recent lighting in here when Richard gets some free time. Oh boy. It's like 6 in the morning.
Now it's time to run the yellow wire. When you get to here, these are where the the
Things go.
things
so
go
no.
in, so make sure you're away from them.
Okay.
Yo, that's backwards, dude. It's supposed to be the orange ones,
Nope.
the yellow ones up there.
Nope. Don't even try to lay that shit on me. Nope. I looked at your shit like 3 times before I fucking started because I was like, yeah, I can fuck this up. So I'm gonna look at this before I start. Fuck man. I'm not gonna make myself work. How about you get it through there, and then I'll start wrapping it through there. How about that?
How about that? Why I gotta do the hard part? I'm gonna lose it. It's gonna come off. That's what you call jinxing it.
Man, look at mine and then look at yours. Okay, so people, this is what happens when you take your time and you do it right.
You take your time.
Look at that.
Yours looks better than mine.
And then look at that shit. It's all fucking.
What?
He got it all over the goddamn place.
I don't know about that.
Look at mine. Wrapped
You're
up.
misinterpreting.
Look at that.
I'll just let you run the rest of the wires too then.
Oh, you really can't do it the way I did it over there. Just talking all that shit.
Did we get that on camera?
I was wrong. What a surprise. I talked all that shit and I did the same thing.
See how mine was tucked up there? And now you untucked it? Now the thing would go right through it.
Oh, that's because I pulled this out. I haven't put this back where it was.
Oh.
I don't know how the fuck it goes back where it was, though. I think I'm breaking it. This is going to go into one of these holes. You can see that. Finger out the way. But, yeah, you really can't tuck it like I did on the other side. Because this side has, like, a whole bunch more wires. And that side only has...
Like 3.
3. So... And I guess it's because of the camera. It's right there. And the wiper shit. I think goes there too. No, it goes to the other side. How the fuck are you sweating?
Cuz, motherfucker, I've been doing this for like an hour now. You've been outside playing with the fucking leaves.
What are you talking about? I was raking.
Playing with leaves.
That's not playing with leaves, bitch.
Fucking playing with leaves.
But damn. What are you doing?
Getting ready to put this other pin in.
So let's start down here.
Well, so the red wire has to run to space number 3.
How'd you pry that up?
I used a pick tool, and you pop this little top cover off right here. Pop this top cover off like that, and you slide this in, and when you click it into place, then you put this back down. Same thing up here, except this one runs to the space number 3, or space number 1, right here, and that should make the taillights communicate. And now we just gotta put this one on,
And then
pin these,
and the
put
excess.
this shit together.
We left the excess in the middle down here.
Well, it's actually gonna be over here in the C pillar
Oh, so we're gonna
because there's
put it
no
there.
clamps over here.
Okay.
I mean, no clips. I mean, there are clips, but not where I pulled it down. See, we just have to watch up here because of the clips up here. So these have to stay towards the back. Actually, we can tuck this up under the headliner. That'll definitely keep it out of the way. That's twice I fucking try to put that shit in upside down. Slack attack.
No reps around here, bro.
Alright, so we're going to test them out right now, make sure the wiring is good. You want me to hit the brakes and stuff, or
Yeah, you do.
you know what to look for?
No.
I'm walking. Alright, let's do a test run before we tighten everything up and close everything up. Hazards. You wanna come see what VAGCOM changes? So you see what's blinking right now?
Yeah.
Vagcom changed it so the clear part blinks yellow, amber, instead of the whole light blinking.
Oh, okay.
Put your daytimes on. I think you have to. Hey, what'd you just do?
Turn on the light.
Interesting. Put it in reverse. Ooh, those are bright as fuck. So now we'll button everything up, put all the pieces back together.
No, how about you back comment? Then we put it back together.
This sassy motherfucker right here. Sassy.
Cause you gonna be one mad motherfucker.
Sassy. You're right. Right now we're changing all the coding so that the lights will work the way we want them to. It's a lot of German shit. But luckily ECS Tuning has like all the coding changes on their website. So we just did the coding with Vagcom and we're gonna check it out now. So these are taillights on. Turn your taillights off. That's so far so good. Hit the brakes. Fucking awesome. There you go. Left blinker. Right blinker. Hazards. And that's it. Yep, you're all good. So the coding is right. When I did my taillights, the coding on ECS's website was incorrect. So shout out to Adam for helping me out on Instagram on how to correct the coding on mine. But they have since updated their website to fix the coding. So it all went according to plan for once. He's peeping that gap because I haven't tightened the taillights down yet. So he's like, why are these taillights hanging halfway out my shit?
You already know what else to tell you.
Hey, these aren't right.
I ain't gonna start with you, man.
Salty. Alright, so now we're about to do the catch can. I'm going to pull this part of the intake out. You don't really have to, but it just makes your life easy. You pull this intake out, bolt the can to the intake, then run the lines, and that's it. It's really simple.
Don't say
Don't worry, I did quotes. It's like anti-fuck up. Alright, so I'm going to magically loosen this bolt. I think that worked. Whoa, check that shit out.
Well, don't worry, I don't
So this is a 3mm Allen key.
Man, that don't look fresh, bro.
Good thing I paid $400 for it.
Now it would just be as simple as running the lines. I definitely should have fucking put this one on first. God damn it. Alright, push it some. Just like a little bit.
I'm pushing, bitch.
I know, but I'm trying to make an angle that it doesn't exist. So now that those back lines are on, pain in the ass, I'm just gonna hook these two up. It doesn't matter which one goes to which, and then put the intake back on. So get that started. Just cut them hot. That's what it is. Excuses, right? Excuses, eh? Ta-da! Alright, the catch can is on. Now the big turbo comes tomorrow. Damn, how you get dirty on taillights and fucking catch can?
Oh, I put it on my fucking wheels.
I don't know how he got dirty anyways, not even working on the car.
Shit, I'm only working on the boy.
Woo!
Shots fired.
So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so we can send Mario to college.
Shut it, man.